Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In this video, I am updating the decor in my dining room. On the last video, I show you how I updated the decor in my formal living room. If you did not get a chance to check it out, please go ahead and check it out. Today we are doing my dining room. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. To all of you who are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. I'm starting with this beautiful, gorgeous vase that I'm gonna be using on the credenza. I'm gonna be using 3 of them. Let me lay them down on the table so you guys can see them. This style definitely makes a statement because they are so beautiful, so gorgeous. 3 sizes, a small one, medium one, and the big one. Love them. This is the first time I'm showing you guys the small and the medium one. I have been showing you guys the big one. I know the color seems a little bit of silver-ish, but it is a gold color. You guys gonna see that in a minute. Guys, many of the products that I'm going to feature in today's video are from my online home decor store, glamstylehomedecor.com. I know some of you were a little bit confused on my last video as to where the products were coming from. They are from my home decor store, glamstylehomedecor.com. Link for it will be in the description box. I am not going to add any flowers. I'm just gonna leave them like that because they already make a statement just like that.
Everlasting ego. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes.
Please be aware, if you order any product from my website, it's going to be shipped on the 18th of July because I am away and my assistant is dealing with a family emergency. So thanks for your patience and your love and your understanding.
Not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie.
On the table, I'm starting with these 3 jars. I love them because they are very beautiful. I love them. And inside of them will be my beautiful pink flowers. These winches are gorgeous, you guys. I love them. They're gonna add a nice pop of color in the dining room.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble act and everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.
On each side of the centerpiece, I'm going to have this beautiful candle holder.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste it.
On each one of the candle holder, I'm gonna go ahead and add these blank candles. They are originally from Home Goods. They are a little bit taller for the candle holder, but that's what I have. That's what I am going to use.
Maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes 2, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on.
This bar cart of mine is always moving around, and right now it is in my dining room. To decorate the bar cart, I'm starting with one of my white and gold ginger jar. Inside of it will be my beautiful blush eucalyptus branches. And then I am going to have some of my beautiful, super beautiful wine glasses. That is all I am going to have on the top level. On the bottom level, I started with one of my designer book from Amazon. And then I added a picture at the level. I didn't like the picture much. I'm gonna go ahead and change it for this beautiful bowl. On the wall, I used to have a blue wall art. I removed the blue wall art. I'm going to replace it by this wall art that I got at the end of last year from the at-home store.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes.
I'm gonna add the throw. Although it is summertime, it is cold in New York. And when it's finally warm, the AC is on, so I'm still feeling a little bit chilly. And that's the last thing I added in the dining room refresh. I hope you had enjoyed it. I hope you had found some inspirations. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Love always. Bye bye.
That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't